Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this NYX Color Correcting Primer to try out, which obviously I have in the shade Blue. And this is one of the products from my October 2022 Chic Beauty box. And I just feel like the more I try out from my first ever Chic Beauty box, the more disappointed I am. Because I was trying to look this up online. It's not even a current product. Like, this is an old NYX product. And Blue is supposed to color correct like orange, so kind of like hyperpigmentation, dark spots, which I'm lucky is not something that I deal with. So this is another product that I got in my box that doesn't pertain to me and seems to be very old. So I'm very disappointed in this box so far, but it'll be fun to try out this color corrector. I typically will use a green color corrector because you can see I have a lot of redness in my face and green helps with redness, but I never use a blue. So I don't really know what to expect, and then even trying to find information on how to use this product is so old I couldn't even find like directions for how to apply it, things like that. I guess what I'm gonna do is just, okay, so it's a squeezy tube like this too, which is not my favorite type of packaging. And the color that it comes out is very true to how it looks in the packaging, actually, a light blue. I think I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it the way I do a regular primer. And when I try out a regular primer, and just apply it to half of my face. It's thin, it's going on like a lotion, and it's such a light blue that as I'm blending it out, it's looking white. I feel like it doesn't even have enough pigment in it to even do any sort of color correcting, because now you can see it's just really shearing out with just like a little bit of almost like a white cast to it. It does feel moisturizing and nice on the skin, but what do we think? I feel like my skin just looks a little lighter, just like that white cast kind of, versus without it. I guess I do kind of like how it looks alone versus without it, because it does just kind of tone down the redness a little bit. Where I have large pores, it's helped to smooth out the appearance of the pores. I'm just picking up a tiny bit more to also apply it to my under eye circles where I have a lot of discoloration. And let's see how this does for my under eyes. But it's such a thin formula. I feel like it should be thicker and more blue. Like a little blends out a long way, and then I feel like I'm left with none of the color. Okay. I am very pleasantly surprised by this texture though. Very nice, soft, hydrated feel. I do feel like that helped to brighten the under eye. How it does have that kind of like white cast that I keep talking about. It looks good on the under eye to help brighten it. Ooh, that actually made a really nice difference with it versus without it. So I think I'm going to be able to get some good use out of this. I'll use it all over my entire face. I feel like it kind of helped slightly brighten and tone down the colors on my entire face. I was going to stop the video right there because now we've seen how this performs, but I want to wear it on the rest of my face, so I'm going to just pick up a little bit and apply it to the other side of my face as well. I almost feel like it's like applying a sunscreen when you like feel like you have to really rub in a white sunscreen. But it is really easy to blend in with my finger, just as if I'm applying a lotion. And so I love that I don't have to put any sort of foundation cover up on top of this to hide the color. It really does just look fine on its own. And I'm so glad I decided to try it out on my under eyes because that really looks great. Anything I can do to improve my under eye circles, make them look brighter, is something I'm very excited about. Well, now I think I'm kind of bummed that this product is an old product that you can't really find many places anymore, because I would really like to try this in the other colors as well, because I'm actually very happy with this formula. Wow, yeah, this really did give a really nice filter effect to my skin. It smoothed over the pores, it brightened the skin, toned down the redness, brightened the under eye circles drastically. Look at that, wow. And it's leaving this more like moisturized, a little bit of a healthy radiance to the skin. If you've tried it out, let me know how it works for you. Let me know your favorite places to use a blue color corrector. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.